Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Ed here with my character who is now named Brigid, which is one of the names in the tough column. So just to give you a general idea of how this game will play, I am going to just do a couple of rolls and just give you an example. So one of the scenarios from the Quick Start pack involves chasing down a Banshee. So I'm going to assume that the chasing has begun, and Brigid is going to run after the Banshee. So here is the speed of 11. The Banshee is moving away at a speed of 10, but began at 30 meters away. Now, unfortunately for Brigid, and also any others who may be with her, there are actually a group of slippery rocks that they're going to have to scramble down in order to reach the Banshee and continue at speed. So she's going to have to roll a dexterity plus, I would say survival would be a valid skill, but as you can see here, under here, she has no survival at all. So she's going to be rolling dexterity and luck, and she's going to be rolling for 10s. So here we go. Oh, and they went all over the place, sorry about that. So, I've rolled pretty badly there. She's actually rolled a moderate fumble. That's 2 more ones than successes, because 10 was the success threshold. She's achieved no successes and 2 failures. So that's a moderate fumble. She's going to slip and actually hurt herself on the rocks as she tries to scramble down. She's going to take 3 pain damage from fall down the rocks. So now she's going to try and recover. She's going to stand up and try and keep going. And as the GM, as well as the player, I'm going to decide that that's going to be a stamina plus survival roll, which is, once again, stamina plus luck, because she has no survival. And there we go. And this time, she has managed to roll a 10, and there is a single 1. But those don't matter, nor do those. Okay, so she's rolled 1 10 and 1 1, and the rest was somewhere in the middle. Because the threshold was 10, she was unable to get a success off a lower number. So a 10 in this rule set means a reroll, or bonus dice. And off that bonus dice, she just rolled a 9, so nothing there. So she has 1 success and 1 failure. Well, the failure doesn't matter unless it's more failures than successes, so she has indeed succeeded. So she gets up, she brushes herself off, and she continues to run on. So now she's going to approach the Banshee, and she's going to leap for the Banshee and try and grab it. So she's going to roll strength plus brawl. 6 dice. Just literally counting the dots. It's as simple as that. So because she actually is skilled in this one, this is going to be a 7 plus. And she's rolled 2 10s and a 9 and some junk. 2 10s means 2 extra dice as rerolls. So 2 6s, nothing there. However, she's rolled 3 successes, so she dives for the Banshee. She manages to grab the Banshee and she vanishes. I'm going to leave it to your GM or whoever you play with to find out what happens next. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that's helpful in terms of what the roles look like. And please let me know in the comments if you have any questions.